let's talk about this forest. Well, I'm not in a forest, but over there is a forest. I remember a long time ago, I went to this forest as like a 5-year-old. And that was before I lived in this area, actually. And now that we live here, I go down that forest a lot more now. I have no idea where this came from, but it's called the Indian Trail Road. So maybe Native Americans made that. I used to see this thing all the time because we used to enter it from that way. But now we enter from that way because there's a bridge. I still notice it sometimes, but now it's a little harder to see it as Native American kind of. When I was 5 years old and went on this trail, I literally did not remember anything about this forest. All I remembered was that Indian thing I just showed you earlier. But now that I take walks on this trail almost every day, I recognize almost every single corner of these woods. It's weird. Look at this place now. I remember a lot of these trees, like, standing up straight. Now a lot of them are cut down. I saw some photos, like, I didn't see photos recently, but I remember photos of us, of like this tree right here. I remember this tree. I remember photos of this tree, like that one. Now it's gone. You can clearly see that someone's been cutting them down because of, well, like, they're all stacked up, or maybe they've just been somehow cut down automatically, and the people are. I don't know what happened. Now I know what you're thinking. This bench is broken. Well, just a couple of weeks ago it wasn't, until my friends accidentally destroyed it. It's not destroyed, it's just cut in half, and it does this sometimes. But it still worked. I like this bench. You know, one time we went out to this lake right here, and we were doing a project or something with our friends, and we got some water and moss and some dirt, and we put it into this jar, this big jar, so we can, like, somehow grow living organisms inside of them. Is how I think that's how we say it. And there's also this cool fact that we think is true, is that Indians may have fished here or something. Well, Native Americans may have fished here, because just the other day ago, we were just sitting here at this lake, and we found a salmon swimming through the lake. Well, my cheese graters, that's all I wanted to talk about. Goodbye and subscribe.